Hi, I'm Carlino, and I am not nearly finished with all the stuff I have to do on my car. Last time I was working on the car, I was using this UV light to try to find leaks in my air conditioning system. In the process, I found a leak of transmission fluid, which I fixed. Now, since there's splatter all over my engine, I'm going to do a thorough clean of the entire engine and then run it again and see if I find new fresh splatter. It strikes me that this whole cleaning process would go a lot faster if I could do some kind of 80s style montage. Montages don't actually make it any easier. In fact, I still have to edit all the footage, so that's actually more work. There, I cleaned out my engine. The next thing I'm going to need to do is run the car for about 10 minutes. Well, I tried to start the car, and it's not starting. That is a dead battery. So, that's it. I think I'm done for tonight. Crap. I saw a die. Take a look. Right in there, right where the upper pressure line connects to the compressor, that is UV dye. Yeah, look at that. You can see it's even running down the side. So that is a definitive result. I am so happy. You know, it's nice to finally make some progress. I suspect that there's just a bad seal, maybe a bad O-ring or something in there. Whatever the case, I'm going to need to take that hose off. Before I do that though, I should drain the system in some kind of environmentally friendly way. They say you're never supposed to vent your AC to atmosphere, even though my AC has been venting to atmosphere all summer long. But nonetheless, here's my solution. Got this hose, got a garbage bag. I'm going to vent it into here so that the gas doesn't go all around there. So I have my bag of refrigerant. That's weird. I need to take off this hose and see what that connection point looks like. And in order to do that, I need to make some room for myself by removing this. That's probably a 10mm screw. So you can see this is the higher pressure port, and there's a little O-ring right here. So that's the O-ring. It looked like it was kind of loosely in there. Didn't seem like it was fitting snug around the fitting anymore. So I'm going to see if I can just replace this part. I just got back from the auto parts store, which was awesome because the Ecto-1 from the original Ghostbusters was, for some reason, in the parking lot. I needed a replacement for this O-ring right here. This is the replacement set. It comes as a whole kit of AC system O-rings and gaskets. There's the replacement ring right there. Just going to put that right around there like that. So we have our connector right here. There's the O-ring right there. And this goes around there, and we tighten this down. And this hose fits right on there. The electrical connector gets put back on. Oh. I'm going to wipe off the compressor where all the UV dye was. Alright, that's good. Nice and clean. Let's check to see if there's any signs of leaking. So far, there's none. I've run the AC inside. It's getting nice and cold. I've checked for leaks. There are no new leaks showing up. That is at least how I managed to find the leak in my AC system and what I did to fix it. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. Please subscribe. Other than that, finding leaks and fixing them in your car's AC system.